What did you get?
Bear and Dog.
No, who is that?
Bear and Dog cousin.
Is that Doc Hudson?
No.
Who is it? Who is that?
Neighbor.
Yeah, and who's the other one? Look at it. Who is that?
I can't know.
It's not Doc. Who is it? And what else did you get? What's that over there? What's that? What's that on the floor over there? No, that right there. Look. Evan.
No.
Crash. What's that? What are you going to do with that? Can you say thank you, Aaron?
Thank you, Aaron.
Say, are you going to come over in a couple weeks?
I'll come over a couple weeks.
Ask her if she wants to stay in your room.
I want to stay in my room.
Tell her you like to cuddle.
I don't want him to
Do you cuddle with Mommy?
No.
Do we snuggle?
No.
We do so.
No.
Yes, we do. Tell her you got a new nightlight. Say, come on over in a couple weeks, okay?
I want to see my boss.
Alright, say bye, Aaron.
Bye, Aaron.
And Lincoln is over here, taking a little snooze after playing. Just hanging out. And we'll talk to you soon. Bye.